At 6, ICE agents arrested 3 people at the Sonoma County Courthouse in Santa Rosa. It was a violation of state law and has the entire legal community in an uproar. KPIX 5's John Ramos reports it's also raising some questions about the manner in which immigration officials are now operating.
Usually, the district attorney and public defender are adversaries in the legal system, but what happened here yesterday has joined them in a common cause. ICE agents showed up unannounced at the Sonoma County Courthouse yesterday and arrested at least 3 people, 2 inside the building and 1 outside. Those detained had come here as requested by the court to clear up misdemeanor violations. The arrests have sent a shockwave through the immigrant community.
When we have ICE running around arresting people, it makes it a little bit difficult, and we had a lot of failures to appear today because of that.
The action resulted in this rare joint statement from the district attorney, public defender, and county council condemning the arrests. State law is supposed to forbid immigration detentions anywhere near a courthouse. Public defender Kathleen Posey says law enforcement needs people to be willing to cooperate with the legal system, and this just makes their job harder.
We're out in the community speaking to this population. Know your rights, come to court, don't be fearful. ICE is not going to arrest you, and then this happens, so it puts our credibility at issue.
Susan Shaw works with a group called the Rapid Response Network that sends trained observers to the scene of any ICE operations. This morning, armed agents tried to arrest a man in a house on this block, but left after observers showed up and officers couldn't produce a legal warrant.
ICE is basically a clandestine military force that operates outside the law.
We didn't see any warrants in anybody's hands as they were taking someone right outside my office here and then went out in the front. They just said, "You're coming with me," and off they went.
Posey says this is the first time anyone has seen ICE arrests at the courthouse, and it comes shortly after President Trump announced stepped-up immigration detentions in states with sanctuary policies. The Sheriff's Department confirmed that it did receive warnings that ICE was going to conduct arrests here at the courthouse, but as per their policy, they refused to collaborate in the operation. In Santa Rosa, John Ramos, KPIX 5.
ICE released a statement in response saying, in part, quote, despite attempts to prevent ICE officers from doing their jobs, ICE will continue to carry out its mission to uphold public safety and enforce immigration law.